When other heroes boast their scars, the marks of strife and strife, and other poets sang of wars, the plagues of human life. Shame for the fun we sword and gun to slap mankind like a lumber. I sing his name and nobler fame, what multiplies our number. Great nature spoke with air benign, go on, ye human race. This lower world I you resign, be fruitful and increase. The liquid fire of strong desire poured it in his bosom. Here on his heart does mankind stand, and there is beauty's bosom. The hero of these earthless strains, a lowly bard was he, who sung his rhymes in coyless plains, we make all mirth and glee. Kind nature care had given his share, large of the flame and current, and all devout he never saw to stem the sacred torrent. He felt the powerful high behest, through vital through and through, and sought a correspondent breast to give obedience due. Proprietor's power screened the young flowers from mildews of abortion, and lo, the bard, a great reward, has got a double portion. All canty coil may count today as annual it returns. The third of Libra's equal sway that gave another Burns, with future rhymes and other times to emulate his sire, to sing old coil in nobler style with more poetic fire. Ye powers of peace and peaceful songs, look down with gracious eyes, and bless old coil a large and long with multiplying joys. Lang may she stand to prop the land, the flower of ancient nations, and Burns' spring her fame to sing to endless generations.